everyone, welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ. Today in this series of OmniStudio Developer Certification Preparation, we will be focusing on this module, that is OmniStudio Data Tools and External Data. In our last video, we have talked about that what are OmniStudio Data Tools and how it is linked to internal data, how we are fetching it and some of its features. And similarly, today we will be discussing about external data. So most about it we have already discussed in our previous unit related to data raptors and integration procedures. So let's get started with the first unit, that is extract external data with an integration procedure. So in this unit we'll be talking about if we want to extract any external data, that is which will be coming from any third parties or any legacy data sources, on premises data sources, or related to any API integration, how we can extract it using an integration procedure. So we have already discussed that we can use HTTP actions, and if we want to extract the data from Salesforce, we can use data raptors. So let's directly move to the quiz. Yes, first question is, which element in your integration procedure extracts an account postal code from Salesforce? As we want to extract data from Salesforce, so we will be using data raptors, and it will be extract action as we are extracting the data. Second question is, which integration procedure element can store an API key? So set values, because we want to store it, but in HTTP action we can get it from third party. Data raptor extract action is used to get data from Salesforce, and response is to display data from OmniScript and to display data on FlexCards and OmniScript from integration procedure. So let's check the quiz. So yes, this is completed. Let's move on to the next unit. Next unit is transform external data. So it's we are talking about our data raptor transform in this. If you remember, in our data raptor unit we have discussed that we use data raptor transform in case we have any third party services, if we want to get data from it or to display on it. So we are talking about that in more detail in this. Let's come to the quiz quickly so we can finish this off. First question is, which tab in the data raptor transform should you select to specify your desired logic? So it's formulas tab. So and come to the second question, which action element in the integration procedure sends data to the data raptor transform? It's additional input. Let's check. Okay. C option should be the correct one. Let's check. So yes, we are done with this unit, that is OmniStudio Data Tools and External Data. It was very short unit. We have already discussed about it majorly in Data Raptor and Integration Procedure unit. So if you have any other doubt specifically to this, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help. And if you like the video, please like it, subscribe the channel, and let me know if you want me to make video on any other thing. And please provide the link as well for those Trailhead modules. And in our series, in next video we'll be focusing on business rules engine module. Thank you, stay tuned.